welcome back once again to CBSE Board Economics. I'm Saddam Hussain. I hope you're preparing well for the board exams. Today we discuss relatively a very simple topic. In the infrastructure chapter, energy. We discussed last time, you remember, energy, how important energy is for the economy. You remember I told you there is a good correlation between the energy and the economic development. More the energy you have, more the economic development. What exactly you mean by energy? Energy in economics includes, it can be firewood, it can be dry dung, it can be forest waste, it can be agricultural waste, it can be petrol, it can be diesel, it can be gas, it can be thermal power, it can be hydropower, it can be wind power, it can be tidal power, it can be solar energy. Okay, this is all very important. Just imagine for a while, if there is no energy, there is no petrol, the cars will come to a stop, your vehicles will come to a stop, the whole economy will come to a stop, the industries will stop working. That important is energy. So now today, what we are discussing, the two kinds of energy. You see it here, one is conventional and the second one is non-conventional sources of energy. Conventional and non-conventional. Look at this one carefully. Conventional and non-conventional. So look at these points here. Conventional source of energy and non-conventional sources of energy. So before I read it out, I'll give you. Conventional means that has been going over a period, centuries, right? So since time immemorial, conventional and non-conventional. Conventional and non-conventional. What is conventional? So that includes fossil fuel, petroleum products. It can be petrol, it can be diesel, it can be gas. Okay. And what is non-conventional? This is the recent development of energy. This includes tidal energy, this includes wind energy, this includes solar energy, this includes geothermal biogas. Conventional sources of energy is not going to be there forever. It's exhaustible. It gets exhausted. Like fossil fuel is not going to be there forever. A day comes where you have no fossil fuels like petroleum, diesel, gas. No, they're going to lost not forever. But wind energy is always there. Solar energy is always there. These can be renewed, like hydropower can be renewed. But you cannot renew petrol once it gets exhausted. That's the end of it. And look at this one. See the difference here. We put it in proper manner. In case they ask you, differentiate between conventional and non-conventional source of energy. Conventional sources of energy and non-conventional source of energy. It refers to the sources of energy which are in use since long and can be stored. Since long and can be stored. It refers to non-conventional sources of energy, refers to energy which have come into use only recently. What it means, see, since time immemorial they have been using fossil fuels, long time. But wind energy has come recently, solar energy, biogas, wind energy, tidal energy, these are the new ones. For example, coal and oil, right? Here, solar energy, wind energy, geothermal, biogas, tidal power. This is the second point, examples. And these are limited, of course. Limited, I told you. Petroleum is not going to last forever. And these are renewable. You can renew again and again. Water, you can renew again and again. Solar energy, you can renew. Wind energy, biogas. And these are exhaustible. They are not renewable, these are renewable. They pollute the atmosphere. And how do they pollute the atmosphere? Of course, when vehicles, right, so they run with the help of petrol, diesel and all, that leads to pollution, air pollution. When you are generating thermal power, by burning coal. So obviously it leads to pollution, air pollution. And they lead to pollution, they are pollution free, that is, they are eco-friendly, pollution free. Solar energy, you generate electricity but there is no pollution. Wind energy, you generate, there is no pollution, they are eco-friendly. Tidal energy, no pollution. Hydropower, no pollution, absolutely. That's good, eco-friendly. And the last point you have, these are expensive means of energy, expensive. These are cheaper. Why expensive here? Conventional sources, we have to extract coal. After that you burn it, then you generate thermal power. Solar energy, free, absolutely free. These are cheaper, not much. You need maybe some photovoltaic cells. So wind energy, okay, you need a windmill, that's it. Geothermal, biogas, that's it. So conventional, non-conventional, conventional energy has been there for centuries. Non-conventional is a recent development like solar energy, wind energy. Conventional energy pollutes the atmosphere, and non-conventional, they do not pollute the atmosphere. Conventional energy is pretty expensive. Non-conventional generated much cheaper. Conventional energy is not going to last forever. It is exhaustible. Non-conventional is going to be there forever. As long as you have sun, you have solar energy. As long as you have tides in the oceans, you have energy. That's all. We have time for this small question, but this is small but very important from a board's point of view. Maybe you get a 4-marker question on this. Write all the points, you get it. That's it. You don't have to do a lot of elaboration. But remember one point before I leave you. The first thing, how to study. Subscribe our videos, like them and share. Number one is, whenever you watch the videos, just don't watch it and leave it there. Please jot it down, all the points, in a separate notebook and memorize. Number two, in case you don't get it in one go, repeatedly watch it. You'll get a fairly good idea about it. Number three, it's very important, when you listen to the video, listen with the help of earphones so that you don't get outside disturbance, pollution, noise pollution from outside. The straight goes to your mind. But that's very important. Watch it again and again and prepare well for the board exams. So that's all we have time for today. We wish you all the best for your exams.